I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What your guy is
coming up on today's
like
vlog.
Cardstock kind of feel. And what I did was I created envelopes out of them. Baby, yeah. You not going yet?
No, I'm looking for my keys. I got it.
You found your keys? Yeah. Okay. Cause it's getting late.
Yeah, because he has some guy.
Huh?
He has some stuff.
Oh, okay. Right here. This is my desk. Welcome to my desk. Today's the 15th. How are you over here? That's where you need to be. Yesterday was the 14th. Jaxson.
This is paper.
Okay, what's the book?
Munching.
Munching.
Crunching.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Where are you going? Where's your homework? Where's your homework? You have a homework for me to sign? Yeah? That's it? Okay. What did your teacher say? What did you need to work on? Nothing? Okay, here you go. Mommy signed it. Come on. Come on. Alright. Well, you need shoes. Okay. Alright. Could you guys please pick up these random trash off the floor, please? Say good morning. I haven't had a chance to hop on here and say good morning. So, oh Lord, 20%. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. What? I'm so excited. Anyways, good morning, guys. What are you searching for? What are you searching for? You trying to put, she's making, you're making lunch? What are you making? Oh, that's your Yum box? Okay. What are you having? Okay, what kind of sandwich? Oh, that's for your juice? She was eating peanut butter. Is that for your juice? Yes? Okay. What else are you having? Oh, you need more containers? Okay. All right, that's enough though, because you know, mommy kind of have to clean up this mess. That's it. You can play with those. You can play with that. a hot mess. I made the kids lunch, and I have to clean up, and just stuff is just everywhere. But I'm warming up my coffee because when I use the Keurig to make my coffee, I have to put it in the microwave for a couple seconds because I just like my coffee really hot, piping hot. And I'm getting ready to go plan grocery list for next week, and also figure out how we're gonna stretch the little bit of money we have until payday. And I forgot to tell you guys, so hubby is going back to his pay that they deduct him from when the whole situation happened with his license. So he's going back to what they were paying him starting, I think, the 25th. Something like that. So the end of February. That's why I was telling you guys, end of February. But he was also waiting on something else that could have, you know, throw the whole thing off. So yeah, now everything is like on the road to recovery. Your girl is excited because, I mean, grant you, I know how to manage stupid money. I just don't like it. You know what I mean? So I'm excited for him to go back to normal. I'm gonna go sit and drink my coffee. I'm going live today at 11:15, and that's the last live until next week. Yeah, that's the last live until next week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put up this either Sunday or something for topics that you guys want to discuss. So I'm gonna do that as soon as today's live ends. Anyways, I'm gonna go drink my coffee and clean up.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
He took all my money. Like, he legit. Maddie, come on. Maddie, he took all my money. I wanted to get laminating card to laminate the cash envelope thing that I'm making. But he done got expensive burger because it's like 70 degrees outside. Let me get off of here before this thing become all shaky for no reason. Okay guys, so this is my current mini planner that I'm setting up. I showed you guys this. Not yet happy with it yet. I didn't get a chance to work on it today. So that's that. But this old planner that I didn't get a chance to work in last year, and I didn't want it to go to waste. So you know what I did is I took the planner apart and I took just the monthly tabs. Took the monthly tabs because they're the thickest in this planner. It's like a cardstock kind of feel. And what I did was I created envelopes out of them. So what I did is I took several, let me show you guys the easy one. So I took, say, June and July, and what I did was I took a washi and connected two and kind of like created an envelope to stuff the money in, instead of going out and buying new stuff and all that, because I don't have any money. So basically the money is gonna go in here, and this is for Christmas. So this envelope is for Christmas, and then I have so this is gonna be my sinking fund, so anything that we're saving for. So this is gonna be my birthday envelope for the kids, my husband, whoever. And then these little sheets is like to track stuff. I'm still working. So this is what I did. So this sheet, I cut it, and then I taped this part right here, and then, you know, I can you know, put the label on there. So it's, I like that because it's cute. And then this sheet, after I cut it, I covered up the months and stuff. And here I can put whatever the goal is and whose birthday and how much money I'm trying to save. And then over here, I have more space for jotting down how much went in, how much got taken out of that envelope. And over here, I did the same. So I cut this sheet right here. I cut this sheet, and what I'm going to do is to prevent the money from falling out. After I've stuffed the envelope, I'm going to put this on here, this little tab, to prevent the money from falling out. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So it will seal the envelope shut once you put the money in. But this is not leaving the house. This is going in the safe. So this is vacation. So we have a vacation. We have Christmas, and then this is just the dash. I need to cover up this. I'm still working on this section because I need to cover up that. This I'm leaving out because it's 2019. And then so yeah, so when you flip through, I still have a bunch of stuff to add, and to make it, you know, a little bit more prettier. So I still have to, I'm working on this one, and then I have one more. So this is gonna get cut, and this is gonna become the label section, and then this is gonna be where I write, but I'm gonna cover up all this right here, and then I'm gonna cover up here, and then I'll have space. So what I'm going to do is, so I took, this is March, right? And I just chose whichever side I want to be my front. And then this guy, right here, this guy is December. So because this is plain, it can be the black back flip upside down. So I'm going to washi tape this side right here, this side, and then this is going to be the opening. And then I have a little envelope thing to stick the money in. So I hope that makes sense, and you guys get an idea of how I'm setting up the sinking funds. Moving on to the actual cash envelope that I'm using for, you know, gas, groceries, stuff that's gonna be going with me in my actual wallet. This is staying home, this is sinking funds, and then this is going in my wallet. So this is what I was talking about. I wanted to get the laminating sheet so that I can laminate this, but I'm gonna cut this down. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use to make this. Okay, so what I use is just tape, and then this little book with these little decorative sheets. So what I do is I go through and I pick what I want. So like, I like this guy. So what I do is I go through and I pull it out, and then I pull out another one for the back. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape the two together, and then once I'm done making them, I'm gonna cut them down to fit a dollar bill. And this is gonna be my my grocery, gas, personal, whatever categories I do come up with. So stay tuned for the cash envelope system. Anyways, guys, I hope that makes sense. So basically what it is that you can create your own envelope. You can purchase your own envelope off of Amazon, Etsy, and whatever. I just don't have the money to be, you know, wasting like that when I have stuff already that I can, you know, repurpose and be creative and create my own stuff. So for the sinking funds, it's gonna be in this little mini happy planner, and I'm gonna stick that in the safe. And then the cash envelopes, the ones that are like groceries and stuff like that, are gonna be on these little flimsy little cardstock, and I'm gonna put them through a laminating paper thing I still have to purchase that. I went to Walmart to take a look at the prices. It's like $5 for like 10 sheets. So I think that's the most that I'm gonna have to spend on that. And then come not this pay period, but the next pay period, the end of the month, then that's when I'm gonna start the whole cash envelope system. Hopefully, cross my finger, I can figure it all out and, you know, bring some kind of, you know, information to you guys if you do want to start that system for your family. You can learn from, you know, my mistake, or if I do something right, you can learn from that as well. But yeah, anyways guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Robbie's making burger on the stove because it's too cold. By the time we got home, it's way too cold and the wind is blowing, so he's just went ahead and throw the burgers on the stove. So without further ado, let's end this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Do you guys want to say hi to Rob? Rob, say hi to the sunshine. He's throwing down, guys. He's throwing down.
What are you guys doing?
He's throwing down in the kitchen. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.